I'm pregnant.
The baby's father. The baby's father is dead. The baby's father was either an angel from heaven, or more likely he was of a race of winged men, of human people who had wings.
I hear you got knocked up.
Word travels fast.
Okay, Daisy. Who was it? For real.
You tell me.
Oh, you fucked an angel? You expect me to believe that's okay? Maybe he was like an angel, but come on. Who was he? Carlos? Ramon? Vin? Claudia? All of them. None of them? Were you doing it all at once with a variety of gentlemen, and now you can't figure out who's the owner of the lucky sperms? Because I can understand that. But that's not like you. That's like me. Or like, that's what some people think of me. And that's not what anyone thinks of you. Least of all me. You know, but you're not telling.
Fucked an angel.
Oh, Daisy, come on, please. I'm your best friend already. You don't have to play games with me. I've seen it all there. I'm cool. I don't judge. I just want to help. Tell me who it is. You and I will go to the son of a bitch. Then we're going to ask him why he used a condom. Then we're going to shake the basket down for money for an abortion. Now, who is it?
Having the baby.
You're not having the
It's
baby.
a miracle baby, Alicia.
It's killing you. Look at you. You're my best friend. And I don't want to see you throw your life away on some romance. You're much too young to be a mother. You're still a girl yourself. You told me you had plans and you were going to do the same bullshit your mother did. And now you tell me this? What am I? Stupid?
I'm having the baby.
Fine. How are you going to pay for it?
I'll work.
At $2 an hour? Have your price formula? Have your price diapers? Get real. Babies are cash intensive. You're on your own, honey. Your mother won't put up with having this illegitimate thing in her house.
Not a thing. It's a beautiful baby with wings.
Great. I'm going to math. I have an appointment with reality. If you want to join me in reality, please call, okay? You have the number. Hey. Hey, Mom, I'm sorry. I'm being an asshole. Hey. Hey, I love you. I'm here for you. Whatever you want, Daisy, I'm here for you 100%, okay? I love you. I want you to be happy, okay? I think it's gonna be a beautiful baby.
I bet it is of this ancient race that predates us all, that was around from the beginning, from earliest time, and they lived in harmony on the earth for millions of years, and they were happy here, flying over the virgin world, swooping, soaring, secular angels. The source, of our mythology regarding angels, the original vision. These winged people who survived millions of years until our kind came along with sticks and stones, then arrows and howitzers with guns and poisons, slowly, efficiently eradicating this magnificent species, killing them all until there was only one left. One.
sacks of shit. That's more appropriate.
They're not. They're beautiful.
To you, in your condition, everything is beautiful.
Here, chick, 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 chick.
Your mother says you don't like to eat eggs anymore.
That's right.
And why is that?
Seems like cannibalism.
But you're not a boy.
I just don't like it. I see eggs on a dish, soft yolk, see it punctured by a fork, start to bleed. All that potential lost. I get sad.
Your mother says you won't eat poultry. She says if you only eat
Fish. I'm happy. The morning sickness is over. I can feel the baby kicking. I just want to stay happy.
She says you built a nest in your room.
Just a little one.
Just a little one. She says it covers your entire bed now, this whole friggin' fucking humongous nest with twins and leaves
help
in it.
it. It's an impulse. I just did it, that's all.
It's not normal. Tell me you're gonna dismantle. Tell me that right now.
Babies. The baby's nest. The baby's perch. Not a crib. No. He's not getting a crib. He's getting a beautiful, round, perfect nest his father would have been proud to see.
You are persistent in this madness.
It's not madness. Let me show you something. Let me show you something that nobody knows. I've been working overtime at White Castle so I could make enough money for this because I knew I wouldn't get any from my mom. I went to a radiologist and I got me a magic picture of the fetus in my womb. Ultrasound. Isn't it a miracle? The one place in this lifetime where you're guaranteed privacy and you can't even get that anymore. They have these cameras that go up in the darkness before birth and snap your picture. There he is. There's my baby. There's the son of the winged man. Can you see? I know it's fuzzy, but there. A head, eye holes, great magnificent brain, fingers, toes, genitals, a heart, and wings. Right there. Use your God-given eyes, Alicia. Use your eyesight and check out these fucking magnificent wings on my son.
I don't see a frickin' thing.
You're just saying that to be mean.
One single, beautiful man, the last of his kind, shot through the heart by some amazed hunter, some hick with a shotgun with visions of trophies in his head. And he wounded this man and found a cave to die in, the last of his world. And he was quietly prepared to die there until me.
Are you coming down for dinner? Are you gonna spend another night in that tree? What's with you, Daisy? You're gonna be a mother any day now. That makes you squarely a woman, Daisy. A woman. Woman. Just like me. Once you have this baby, you're gonna be no different than me. You have crossed that borderland, that place in which your childhood is buried forever. You have to give up all the trappings of your childhood. You never play in the same way. The air in your lungs you never feel the same way again. On the other side of the mirror, a face will look back at you full of care and sleeplessness and the memory of pain. Now I can understand you're afraid of that, but you should have known about that before you got knocked up. Sitting up in that tree all day and night for weeks is not going to change that. It's not going to make that deep responsibility go away. needs you desperately. That baby ain't gonna wanna hear your fantasies about some wingman you had a one-night stand with. It's gonna ask you hard questions, Daisy. You're gonna have to be honest with your baby and with yourself, and that honesty starts today, baby. Today. With your getting down from off that tree and cease eating barn seed and dismantling that fucking nest in your bed. Put that fantasy away, child. A boy knocked you up. A real person. Not a miracle, not a fantasy. Get real, baby. Get off that tree. Start living your life.
Until I came along and kept him alive for a couple of hours and fed him and watched over him, then finally made love with him because I knew the line would end if he died, and I wanted a chance to save the species, to keep that race of winged humans alive just a little longer through me. What do you think of that?